Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is Mikir here and I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change phone number on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's proceed. First of all, on your device, launch the Telegram app and now make sure they are logged into your Telegram account. Now to change your phone number, when you see this interface at the upper left corner, you will see three horizontal lines. So tap on that and again a dialog box will pop up. From there you have to tap on settings. You will land on your settings page. So in here under your account section, you will see your phone number. Tap on that, you will land on this interface. And now if you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get notified for the next time we log in more tutorials in our channel. Now back again, when you see this interface, tap on change number from the bottom of your screen. A dialog box will pop up. From there tap on change. You will be directed on this interface. From there at the very top, select your country. Once you're done with that, enter your new phone number that you want to change. Once you're done, you have to tap on that arrow from your interface. It will ask for your confirmation again. Tap on yes, and after that you will get an SMS with an activation code on your mobile number. So go back and check your message on your mobile number. Here I have already received and it will verify and it says your phone number has been successfully changed. So this is how you can simply change your phone number on Telegram. I hope this tutorial helped you. That's all for today. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.